Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is The Future, our channel where we focus more on spending time with family, healthy recipes, and being able to live the good life. Tonight we're going to show you a recipe for a good night's sleep. Now the great thing about it is this recipe here helps create serotonin in your brain to naturally help you soothe to sleep without any kind of pills, without any kind of additives, drugs, or anything like that. So let me show you what we got here today. Quick, simple, and easy. We got milk, and what we use here on our milk is we got this DHA omega-3 milk. And now the great thing about this doesn't have any hormones, doesn't have any of those nasty things that are in milk out there. Also, we're going to do what is it called? 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 banana. Now the great thing about it is it's quick and easy. You just throw it in your blender, okay? And we're going to do 1 cup of milk there. Okay, 1 cup of milk, which is quick and easy. We're going to do a tablespoon of honey. Quick and easy. So this is sweet, smooth, and savory. And we really love this recipe, and it's really tasty. Alright, you throw your banana in there. Go ahead and bend it in half. Throw it in the top. Put it on and blend it up real quick. Now the great thing is if you warm this up for about 15 seconds once you're done, it actually helps create serotonin in your brain, which eases you to sleep, which is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and blend this really quick. Nice and smooth and easy. Now the great thing about this is it takes us about 10 seconds to do this. Okay, then we just throw it right here in our glass. Super yummy and delicious. It's like a milkshake before you go to bed, but it's healthy, it's good for you, no added sugar. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Let it get nice and warm. Okay. So let it cook up there really quick. Once it's out of there, it's going to be ready for you to devour. Now the great thing about this is when it's done, you drink it and you will be able to slide into a nice slumber where you don't have to take sleeping pills or sleeping additives or anything like that. So this is what we got here. Wonderful and ready. Just a little bit warm, okay? Nice and frothy, and you just go ahead and drink it up. Nice and smooth, not overwhelming, and this will help you go to bed. Thanks for watching. If you get a chance, please subscribe. Please favorite if you like this recipe. And if you get a chance, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin. Give us a big thumbs up if you think it's tasty, and we'll talk to you soon.